Today was World Children's Day. The Honorable Commission, in collaboration with Goa Association for the Deaf, organized a special observance for children who are hearing impaired. 5 schools, special schools, which are educating the hearing impaired children, participated. This program was supported by Grand Hyatt Bambulim. Basically the intent of the program was to understand the subtle needs which the children face and how the Honorable Commission can address this fine issue. A lot of things were expressed by the children themselves today, and one of the prime important thing that the Commission is required to address is the quality education for these children. There were a lot of activities which were done today, basically trying to create a fun-filled environment and also help the children to express themselves.
So it's World Children's Day on the 20th of November, and what an amazing day to celebrate and spend time with the kids who are hearing impaired. At no point in time we felt that this is a challenge. We had an amazing time spending with them to give them an experience of what hotel life is, what hospitality is, what are some of the skills that they can learn from us. The journey has been amazing, and we really love and look forward for more such associations in future. Thank you so much.
I'm Gaurish Malgaonkar, the president of Goa Association of the Deaf. Today we celebrated World Children's Day, and it was hosted by the Goa State Commission for Protection of Child Rights along with GAD and the Grand Hyatt Hotel Bambulim. We had 5 deaf schools of Goa who participated: Sanjay School Porvorim, Lokvishwas School Ponda, Gujarati Samaj School Margaon, then New Dawn Ashadip School from Vasco, and the St. Xavier's Academy Old Goa. It was a beautiful event. Hello, I'm Prasad Joshi. I am the founder and the president of GAD. As Gaurish mentioned, we are here at the venue, which is the Grand Hyatt Hotel Bambulim. Our deaf children really had a good time. Also, they had a lot of learning. They had the towel art session, the cupcake decoration, then yoga, dance, and also we showed them a deaf movie. We also highlighted certain issues of the deaf children. I am very thankful for the organizers, the commission and the Grand Hyatt Hotel, and looking forward for such connections. Thank you so much.